channel. Today we are going to be making these breakfast muffins. I'm going to show you what I use to make mine. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so here's everything that I'm going to be using today. We have our cherry tomatoes that I cut in half, some cooked turkey bacon, some feta cheese, aka goat cheese, some Parmesan cheese shredded, turkey sausage that I diced, they're cooked, and some baby spinach. And of course we need our eggs. I'm using a dozen of eggs, and our muffin tin. So I'm going to go ahead and get all 12 of my eggs cracked into this large bowl. And now we want to go ahead and season our eggs. So I'm using some pink Himalayan salt, some black pepper, some Laura's seasoned salt, accent, and let's go ahead and give that a whisk. So you want to make sure you break up all of your yolks. That's what I'm doing here, just making sure all of the yolks are broken up. And I had a little helper. So I am using some cupcake liners. This was my first batch. I ended up making 2 batches, and I liked how they came out better without the cupcake liners. So you can use these, but I will tell you that they will stick a little bit. So I would prefer, or I would suggest using just the cupcake tin and just spraying it with some nonstick spray, and they came out perfect that way. So now I'm just transferring my eggs into a measuring cup. And these 12 eggs were good for 1 batch, so I ended up making another batch with 12 more eggs, and I put it in a measuring cup. As you will see later on here, it was easier to pour. So right here I'm just putting in my baby spinach. I'm taking off the stems and just ripping them by hand as I put them in. And today I'm doing half and half. So on this half, I'm doing the spinach and I'm adding my sausage. And then we're gonna put some Parmesan cheese with this. So my other half here, as you can see, I'm adding in my turkey bacon. So this one will be turkey bacon, the tomatoes, and my feta cheese. And here's my Parmesan cheese. So the Parmesan cheese is for this side. And y'all, you can really get creative with this. Like, I thought of so many different varieties that I could make, but I'm doing this for meal prep. Could do however you make omelets, or whatever you like in your omelets. You could do onions, green peppers, mushrooms. Like, the choices are endless. So now I'm just going ahead and pouring my egg mixture right on top. So when I did it the other way without the cupcake liners, I poured my eggs in first and then I put the toppings in. But you could do it either way. So now you want to bake these off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. So while they're in the oven, they will puff up, but they will not flow over. Once you take them out, they'll fall again. So it'll look like they're about to like flow over, but they're not. They're eggs. So of course eggs rise and they puff up, but they're fine. And this is how they look when they come out the oven. And that's it, y'all. You can store these in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, or you can even put them in the freezer and freeze them for like a month or 2, and just store them in the microwave whenever you're ready to eat them for about a minute. So I stored them in a closed tight container, put them in the refrigerator. I'm using these for meal prep. You could use these for the kids. They can help you make them. I actually let my little sister and my son help me make these, and they love them. But that's the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoy, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.